Hey, hi everybody. Okay, so this was my fourth attempt at this painting. This is by beautiful Courtney, the Swipe Queen. And yeah, this is my fourth time trying this painting. They say the third time's a charm, but for me it's probably going to be the fourth or fifth. We'll see. Pretty excited to do this one. I really love it. Really want it to turn out right. My problem is, like a lot of people's problem, you just don't know when to stop. You don't know when to leave it alone, right? So that was pearl white, and now I'm putting a little gold in here. Deco Art 24 karat. And then we're going to do a touch, just a touch. I always put too much. Just a touch of, this is actually raw sienna, not burnt sienna. So I'm not going to put too much this time. I hope I didn't put too much. I have more at that end though. See how I do? Okay, just a touch. Alrighty. Then we're going to put a little more of this ultramarine blue, which my base is a mix of ultramarine blue and cerulean blue, because I didn't have enough ultramarine blue to make the indigo color that she made, kind of. So this is kind of the darker blue, and we're just going to put a dab of that on top of there. We are just about ready to swipe. You ready? Come on, pour. And there we go. Whew, I'm nervous again. Oh, 4 times I've tried this, and I just can't seem to do it. But this time, I have a feeling it's going to turn out right. So let's dampen the paper towel. I'm going to go up and then down. And I think I'll stand up to do this. Okay, here we go. Mine doesn't look like it has as much blue in there as hers. Oh, please be beautiful. That's not bad. Not bad at all. And then down. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is looking good. Ooh, I'm feeling all proud of myself. So far, anyway. And now let's do the other side. This way or this way? Okay, let's go up. Oh, I have a lot of cells. Why do I have so many cells? Did she have that many cells? I don't know if she did or not. It seemed like it. But she might have. Oh, wow. Oh, I think this turned out good. This time, I do. Kind of missing a little bit right there, though, aren't I? Do I dare touch it? That's what happens every time I've done this, is I'm like, okay, we're missing a little bit right here. Should I do it? Or should I leave it? I'm going to do just a little bit. There we go. That's what I wanted, was right there. I think. I should leave it alone. Why do I have so many cells? My light went out, sorry. When my phone overheats, my light goes out. So I hope you can still see this. Oh, I think it's going to be gorgeous. What do you think? I hope you can see it from there, can you? I'll bring you in for a close-up in a minute. Oh boy. Okay, let's take it down and let you see what is going on here. Let me just pause this. Okay, so here's what we've got. What do you think? Whew, I think it's gorgeous. Got that nice bright blue there. But look at all the cells. I really didn't want that many cells, and I don't think she gets that many, so why do I have so many? I didn't put any Floetrol in anything. Is it just from the pearl and the gold, the 24 karat gold? She tilted hers, but I don't know if I'm going to. That's how I ruined the last two. And then the third one, I just added another color, and that's how come I ruined that. But I don't know. I can just see that hanging on a wall, can't you? Well, let's give it a minute and we'll see what happens. Thank you.